Yes, my people, good day. Today's pro tip. You ever seen one of these before? Working on any Toyota, doing anything ignition coil related, this is going to happen. The tabs break right off. We put plugs in this thing and all 6 of them broke. But surprisingly enough, the fuel injector clips, you can take them off and put them on 1,000,000 times and nothing wrong. So my question is, this is Toyota. What? The same people who make this is obviously not the same people who make this. Why we not use the same people who do the fuel injector? Fire the crew for the ignition coil clips and hire the crew for the injector. I'm just asking, you know what I mean? I'm not an engineer, so I'm just asking. All right, what I want to get at though is, as I say, all 6 of them are broken. All these and all the ones in the back. Notice, for those who don't know, if you're doing spark plugs on a Lexus RS300, you have to take out all of this just to put plugs in. Just saying. So now, the fix is this. Look, bam, you see that? Nice. Notice, it is broken. But you see this funky little thing? I wonder what that is. Let me show you. Let's go. Get some zip ties. The corrugated side, the rough side, faces down. Put it in through the broken off tab. Hopefully it didn't break this part right here. Put it in through like so, and then you fish it in like so, push it down where it should be, and you just pull it through, and then you hear it click, and look at that. It is on there. Yeah, man. Yo, learned this from another guy, and I saw it, and I tried it, and it worked. So I'm passing it on. It's on there. And then when you're ready to take this off, you just clip the head of that off and you can remove it. You understand? So, just like that. Yeah, man. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bless. Yeah. And don't forget to go and subscribe to my YouTube channel.